How to change security level of Cloudflare domain in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Software section and click Cloudflare. Click to sign in, then enter your Cloudflare email address and password to log in. Click the Settings menu. Currently, the medium level of security is selected. Click to open the drop-down list. Cloudflare offers 5 levels of security. The first level essentially challenges IP addresses with the worst reputation. The second one is low level, which challenges the most threatening visitors. Medium level challenges both moderate threat visitors and the most threatening visitors. The high security level challenges all the visitors that have been exhibiting threatening behavior in the last 14 days. The 5th level, under attack, is used if the website is under a DDoS attack. Just click to select any level of security you wish to have for your website. Thank you for watching.